Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand assets into Klaviyo flows, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer brand assets into Klaviyo flows, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Accounts section located in the bottom left corner. From there, click on Settings to open the Account Settings menu. Select Brand Assets from the options presented. In the Brand Assets section, you will see various types of assets. Click on the type of asset you wish to transfer, such as logos, images, or fonts. For logos, click on Upload and choose the file from your device. Make sure the file meets Klaviyo's size and format requirements. After uploading, review the logo and confirm it appears correctly on the preview. If you have additional images, repeat the upload process for each asset. Next, to add fonts, click on the Fonts tab within Brand Assets. Choose the option to upload your font files, ensuring they are in supported formats. Once your fonts are uploaded, verify they display correctly. Now, navigate to the Flows section in the main dashboard. Select the flow where you want to implement the brand assets. Within the flow editor, choose the specific email or message where changes are needed. Click on the block that requires the asset, such as an image or text block. In the settings for that block, locate the option to insert images or customize text. For images, select Choose an image to access your uploaded brand assets. Pick the logo or image you wish to use and adjust the size and position as necessary. For text blocks, adjust the font settings by choosing your uploaded font from the style options. Ensure that all assets look consistent with your brand's visual identity across the flow. After customizing the flow, preview your email to see how the assets appear. Make any final adjustments needed for spacing or alignment. Once satisfied, save your changes to the flow. Test the flow by sending a preview email to ensure everything functions correctly. Your brand assets are now successfully integrated into your Klaviyo flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.